Nation, it's already pretty much open, but still got that little part here that needs open. Let's see what they look like. Circulated nickels. We'll get into them and I'll let you see what I find. Stay tuned. Welcome back, Nickel Nation. This is my situation. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 crap coins that I won't get back to my bank because I'm afraid they'll tear up the counting machine. All right, now let's get on with my cool finds. Yeah, if we can. I'm sorry, everybody. The focus doesn't want to work. All right, I got 3 from 1939, all Philadelphia. Got a 1940, a 46. That looks silver, but yeah, 48 and a 49. And I got 15 coins from the 50s. This box didn't have as many finds as I normally find, but it wasn't a bad box at all. I got a couple that I'm considering mint state here. If it'll focus. All right, there we go. We got a 1960 and a 69S. And got a penny. So it took a 4-cent loss along with those 7 coins that hopefully I can get my 7 nickels back. I got a 2009 Philadelphia. I got a 2003 Bermuda. And last but not least, I got this Buffalo here. Stay tuned. All right, that's about the best I'm going to get it with the camera here. I believe it's a 1916. It's possibly a 1918. It depends on the angle I'm looking at it. It really looks like a 16 here, but certain angles it looks like an 18 when I'm looking at it with a loupe. I'm going to put it under the scope and find out for sure. It's somebody's nickedated it, so there is that. There is no mint mark, so still a pretty decent Buffalo. Got the Buffalo and the Bermuda to 2009 339s. Not a bad box, but that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, let me know in the comments. And hit that thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. All right, I'm out of here, everybody. I hope you had a good Thanksgiving Day and good Black Friday. If you're not from America, hope you enjoyed the last few days. All right, everybody. Again, thanks for watching. God bless.